Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. As expected today in our daily, we said be careful, don't forget that we are still under pressure with selling, and when we did not reach the 1.27 here, which is the uncommon target for wave 3. I mean, it is the minimum requirement to call a wave 3 here, and we did not get it. So that was the last how to say step to move for higher, yeah. And look how much difference we did not get it. What a small gap, but yeah, basically this is a market. We are expecting as well our WXNY, and of course today alert was in its place, and glad that it worked. I hope that you took precautions with this, because we're gonna see, of course, further continuation toward the downside. And especially now we see, of course, this drop very close even for the wave 1, where we saw 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished impulse, in a weird impulse, by the way, and it is curvy. So that was one of the signals that I mentioned in the morning in the daily. Curvy meaning, of course, yeah, there is some weakness showing up, and for a massive drop potentially that it has started right now. So we have to be careful with it. Yeah, so basically this is what we are heading for right now. In a bigger view, we are looking, of course, at a WX and a Y. We see, of course, another WXY, 3 waves, and potentially we can get here, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the downside, or another zigzag. Nobody knows. Our next target would be, of course, the 1.38, 1.618. In confluence, we're gonna make some confluence targets. Now, for this expanding flat, of course, we have those fibs. But if we are in a zigzag, big zigzag here, we need the 1-to-1 fib level in confluence. So let's check this. If we have topped here, we are looking right now for a potential zigzag 1-to-1 fib level. Here we go. This is the confluence between the 1-to-1 fib level and the blue box here. So potential 17,469 is our target for NASDAQ again, yeah? Unless we take the 1.618, which is also possible for both case scenario, yeah, but it is possible. And of course, it's gonna reclaim that this is a wave, expanding flat wave, yeah. So this is what we are looking for. In a bigger view, what it might this affect? In a bigger view, remember, we are in a wave 5 potentially. In this wave 5, we are looking 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So if this wave 4 is going to end up very low, potentially what's going to happen is that we're going to transform this to a 3, 4, 5 toward the upside, and then in U1, and then 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so sorry, wave 2 here, yeah, which is next, yeah, coming very low. Why? Because a lower wave here is higher potential for a wave 2, definitely, and especially that those wave 1 here and the wave 3, in case it was a wave 3, they are very matching in price, so higher potential to be double 1, 2, yeah, and a very sharp wave 2, then continuation toward the upside. So these are the insights. Don't forget that this also, at this level, if we get invalidation at 15K 900, that would be not a good signal. Okay, guys, this would be really, really bad. This would be our recession signal for the market, which is not looking really good. Yeah, so we have to be careful with it. Otherwise, yeah, we need to see higher prices than this one. I'm trying to find the arrow. There are arrows for the up and down. Where are they? Okay, never mind. I will see them offline and then prepare them. So I just want to put a red arrow here in case we take this invalidation, meaning, of course, recession. Yeah, and recession meanings, of course, yeah, we're looking for potentially this one. Yeah, this as a recession here. We're looking at, one second, recession signal. Here we go, as you can see, yeah, at 16K. Yep, so that was it for NASDAQ. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and trade safe.